Welcome to another video tutorial from 2dgameartguru.com. Today I'm working in Affinity Designer and would like to show you how to put images into the compound-based puzzle pieces. Compounds can't be used as clipping masks. All content inside a compound group defines its shape, either by being added, subtracted, excluded, or intersected. Let's look at some alternatives to the clipping mask. Add the image to be inside the puzzle pieces, scale and position it. To make it easier to replace the image later, turn the image into a symbol. Symbols have a weird way to act when you arrange them in the layer panel. Group the symbol to stop all symbols to react together. I now ended up with 3 copies of my image at the bottom of the layer stack. The same applies to the mask to below. I need to group my 3 symbols before I can apply the mask to below. Right click on the puzzle piece to bring up the menu. Choose Mask to Below. The puzzle piece will now clip the group with the symbol that was directly below. Duplicate the group with the symbol, move it below the next puzzle piece, and repeat the process. Even though this is a non-destructive and rather accurate approach, it's rather time-consuming. It is easy though to swap out the image once you have assigned it to all puzzle pieces. The next approach is destructive. It is advisable to save as a new file to keep the version with the editable compounds. Once they are converted into curves, you lose the separate parts that make up the compound. Select all puzzle pieces and convert the compounds into curves. You can drag the image inside the layer panel or use the copy and paste inside. You can then duplicate the image inside one clipping mask and just drag it into the next curve. Alternatively, select the next piece and use the paste inside. For the third approach, I combine all puzzle pieces into one clipping mask. In order to avoid them merging, use the contour tool and create a small gap. Setting the radius to a negative value creates a small inset. Seeing all puzzle pieces are selected, the inset will be applied to all selected objects. Combine all puzzle pieces using the Boolean add. This will create a single curve. Drag or copy the image inside to be applied to all puzzle pieces at once. To split the puzzle pieces into separate curves, use the Boolean divide. The gap ensures that there is no accidental merging of pieces. Inside each puzzle piece is the symbol with the image inside. Selecting the image and using the replace image, it's easy to alter the content of the puzzle pieces. Scaling and moving the image will update all symbols. To get back to the original size, select all pieces. Add a contour that matches the inset you used prior. Select all pieces and convert them to curves or bake the appearance. With the inset having modified the rather clean vector shapes, it can lead to extra shapes and looped nodes. Use the node tool to clean up the lines and delete extra nodes. When moving individual tiles, make sure the Lock Children is unticked, otherwise the content is left behind. This is the third mini tutorial in this series. I created one on creating puzzle pieces, one on aligning puzzle pieces to a grid, and now this one on the content inside the pieces. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial and learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I will see you again soon.